Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Fluffy Slime Putty is probably one of the most engaging and sensory toys available for children, offering hours of creative fun and stress relief through its unique texture and vibrant colors, making it a fantastic choice for kids who love to play and explore with tactile materials. And it's also a great way for parents to encourage imaginative play and fine motor skill development in a safe and enjoyable manner. Number 5. Original Stationery Soft Clay for Slime. Discover the ultimate soft clay, perfect for all your slime-making adventures. Its unique texture makes crafting butter slime a breeze. This versatile white clay is ideal for creating detailed sculptures or adding a new dimension to your slime. It's compatible with all your favorite slime activators. Designed for kids, this lightweight clay provides a delightful experience for making butter slime. It works wonderfully with slime glue and other add-ins. Experience a sensory delight with this soft, pliable clay. It's perfect for cozy indoor activities and encourages imaginative play. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY slime kit is perfect for birthdays and parties, sparking creativity and learning with its fun, buttery texture. This air-dry clay is incredibly easy to mold and shape. It provides hours of entertainment and helps develop fine motor skills. What we like? This clay is perfect for creating that sought-after butter slime texture. If you are looking for a way to elevate your existing slime creations and want a smooth, pliable medium to work with, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy hands-on crafting and want to experiment with different slime consistencies. What people say? So soft and good for slime, it doesn't stick to my hands. It's great clay, but the quantity in each box is rather small. It would be great if it could be bought in bulk or at least in bigger boxes. Love the texture of the foam clay and it dries really well. It's a super soft and smooth clay, almost like flower petals clay, but softer that it is moist most times, but it helps you know how long it's going to take to dry. If you're having a hard time with making petals or other more delicate pieces, then you want the clay to be drier. If the clay is getting tough, add lotion. Wet equals soft, and unless you dump a whole thing of lotion in, it will dry, so don't be worried. Number 4. 11-pack Butter Slime Kit. Get ready for endless entertainment with this amazing slime kit. It's super soft, non-sticky, and perfect for creative play. Experience the delightful texture of our butter slime. It stretches and molds easily, providing a satisfying sensory experience for everyone. Looking for a unique gift? This 11-pack slime kit is ideal for birthdays, parties, or just because. It's a guaranteed hit for both boys and girls. Need a moment of calm? Playing with this slime is a fantastic way to relieve stress and improve focus. It helps kids relax and stay engaged for hours. Let their imagination run wild. This kit is perfect for DIY projects, school activities, and slime parties, encouraging creativity and hands-on fun. When playtime is over, simply store it back in its container. Keep it in a cool, shaded place to ensure it stays fresh for the next adventure. What we like? This kit offers a generous 11 packs of slime, providing extended playtime and variety. If you need a fun, engaging activity that also helps with stress relief for kids, this is a great option. It's perfect for parties, as a gift for girls and boys, or simply for a relaxing sensory experience. What people say? It has soft scents depending on the color, but not overly stimulating, not messy at all, very stretchy and super soft. It is definitely worth the money. It has a good variety of colors. It's not as stretchy as I would have liked, but still very good product. There's no mold growth whatsoever. Not sticky. This slime not only stayed together and was super easy to clean, but they all smell amazing. Not too strong of a scent, but very nice. The little items it came with were awesome too. Number 3. Playz Unicorn Slime and Crystals Science Experiments Kit. Does your child love unicorns and science? This kit is packed with over 100 amazing experiments that are both fun and educational. They'll explore fascinating concepts like atoms and polymers in a way that's truly engaging. Forget those ordinary slime kits that quickly lose their appeal. This kit offers a huge variety of activities that will keep them entertained for hours, with creations they'll want to make again and again. With a super simple guide and a special app, they can follow step-by-step instructions for over 100 experiments. Each activity includes a "What happened" section to explain the science behind the magic. From glow-in-the-dark unicorn poop to fluffy slime and crystal eggs, the possibilities are endless. They'll love creating a rainbow of fantastical things right out of the box. You can feel confident with this purchase. Our products meet and exceed all safety standards, and we offer an extended warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This is more than just a slime kit, it's a comprehensive science experiment set with a unicorn theme. If you have a child who loves both science and unicorns, and you want an educational toy that offers hours of varied activities, this is the one. It's ideal for curious kids aged 8 to 12 who enjoy learning through play. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to hands. The texture is amazing, it's soft and smooth, perfect for sensory play. It comes in vibrant colors and is easy to clean up. Number 2. Neon Bouncing Putty, Bulk Pack of 12. Get ready for endless entertainment with this bulk pack of 12 neon bouncing putty containers. Each one is filled with 2 vibrant colors, perfect for immediate play right out of the jar. Experience the thrill as this lightweight putty bounces high without sticking to surfaces. You can mold it, squeeze it, stretch it, and roll it for hours of creative fun. Looking for the ideal party favor? These individually sized portions of rainbow putty are a guaranteed hit for goodie bags and birthday celebrations. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this putty offers safe, reusable fun for kids aged 3 and up. Simply store it in its container to keep it fresh. We're confident you'll love this putty. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right, ensuring your happiness every time. What we like? This putty is designed to bounce, offering a unique tactile and play experience. If you're looking for party favors or goodie bag fillers that are fun, colorful, and provide active play, this bulk pack of 12 is perfect. It's great for kids who enjoy sensory toys and imaginative play with a bouncy twist. What people say. It doesn't stick on carpet, furniture, and isn't messy, which is a huge win. And it does have really good bounce to it on hard floors. It is soft. It is stretchy. It bounces. This is really good putty. Nothing like slime at all, this is more like really foamy Play-Doh, super easy for kids of all ages to play and mold with their hands. Number 1. 24-pack Butter Slime Kit. Get ready for endless fun with our 24-pack Butter Slime Kit. It's the perfect way to spark imagination and creativity in kids. Experience the incredibly soft and non-sticky texture. This slime is designed for mess-free play, ensuring hours of enjoyment. With multiple colors included, children can mix and match to create a rainbow of new shades. Let their artistic side shine. Looking for the ultimate party favor or gift? These slimes are ideal for goodie bags, prizes, and stocking stuffers for both girls and boys. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or just a fun get-together, this slime kit is guaranteed to be a hit. It's the go-to toy for kids' parties and events. What we like? With a large pack of 24, this kit is ideal for larger groups or events. If you need an abundance of slime for party favors, goodie bags, or prizes, this multicolored option with charms is a fantastic value. It's perfect for kids who love to mix colors and add decorative elements to their slime creations. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to hands. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors and has a pleasant, mild scent. The putty is easy to mold and shape, making it great for creative play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.